This is the third in the series of videos explaining how to use a Paraplanning Online Suitability Report writing solution. It is assumed that you have already watched the preceding videos in this series, and we strongly recommend that you watch all of the videos before attempting to write a report. Having completed the introduction, I'm now going to show you how to include a review section within your report. For the purposes of this example, I'm going to be undertaking a review of an existing investment. However, the same principles can also be applied to the review of an existing pension arrangement. We would recommend that any reviews are included immediately after the introduction. To ensure your reports are compliant, certain recommendations including pension switching, retirement options and the ISA transfer option rely on you including a review for each existing pension or investment arrangement that you are recommending to be transferred. To include an investment review, select Investment Review Recommendation from the drop-down menu and click Add. Then click Edit to enter the wizard associated with this investment review. The first question asks, would you manually like to insert fund performance information at the back of the report? To ensure your compliance, we would always recommend that you provide fund fact sheets for the funds of any existing investments you are reviewing. By selecting Yes, a title page will be inserted in the back of the report, behind which you can manually insert fund fact sheets once the report has been downloaded to Word. The next question asks, which of the following investments do you wish to review? For the purposes of this exercise, I'm going to select Onshore with Profit Bond. You are then asked to enter some basic details regarding the investment, for example, with whom it is invested, the fund, and the encashment values, etc. You are subsequently prompted to include details of the fund or funds which the monies are invested. As you'll see, the risk rating column includes the numbers 1 to 10, as well as the attitude risk definitions as defined when you set up your report template. The next question asks whether there is a terminal bonus or market value adjustment applying to this investment. If you select Yes, you'll be prompted to include further details. Once completed, click Next and you'll be asked what action you wish to take in respect to this investment. Under an Onshore with Profit Bond, you are presented with the options of Encash, Internal Fund Switch or Retain. However, other investment types may also contain the options of a transfer or re-registration. I'm going to select Encash, and as a result some technical notes will automatically be included within the appendix of the report regarding chargeable events on the encashment of onshore investment bonds. Next, you are presented with a number of potential reasons as to why you are recommending the encashment of this investment. You can select any relevant reasons from the standard options provided, but once again please note the inclusion of the Add Additional Option feature at the bottom of the page. This will allow you to include your own options and save these as a permanent reason for possible inclusion in future reports. Finally, you're asked whether you wish to review another investment. For the purposes of this exercise, I'm going to answer Yes. I then click Next, followed by Finish, and I'm directed back to the main report writer page. You will notice that a tick has now appeared in the completed column adjacent to the first investment review section. And because I indicated I wish to review another investment review recommendation section has been automatically included below. I'm quickly going to review a second investment without actually completing any of the questions. It's important that where you are including multiple reviews or product recommendations within the same section, that you follow this logical sequence of questions, rather than simply adding another review or recommendation from the New Section drop-down menu. This time I'm going to opt for No, I do not wish to review another investment, and once again I click Next, then Finish, and I return to the report writer page where it can be seen that a tick has appeared in the completed box of all my sections. That concludes this video on how to review an investment. As previously highlighted, you would apply exactly the same approach to review an existing pension arrangement. Please now proceed to the next video where I shall explain how to include a new investment recommendation within your report.